This is the new model launched by ARBN Sports. Just came. In the box you will find a ARBN X1 with a small user manual and certificate, along with suppressor as additional which can be installed, cheek rest and shoulder adjuster, a 12-shot magazine and some pellets. The gun comes with carbon fiber cylinder, 420cc. This is the gun. Side lever. I will put the suppressor and show you something. Now I have installed the shoulder adjuster and the cheek rest. We can order the cheek rest and the shoulder adjuster as discussed, and I will show you how to fold it. We need to push the button and this will be folded. Now we will do uncocking without suppressor. Okay, have you heard the voice? Okay, now I have installed the suppressor. We'll do another cocking. Almost negligible now. Thank you.